Hey guys and girls, Shane here with Paladin Filtration. As you can see here, we have a three-stage system that we designed. We have three different systems that we've designed for you guys. This is the compact system that will filter all of the water in your entire home, and it fits right in your closet, as you can see, 27 inches by 24 inches roughly. We have our main water line coming in right here. We will be putting a nice cabinet door here that looks pretty. That's why I cut a big hole, because I want the patch to look nice. Still got to cut a little more out, by the way. Anyhow, this easy mounting plate goes on the wall, can hold 200 pounds. This system weighs nothing near that. You're looking at 30 pounds without any water in it. With water in it, it's roughly 70 pounds. Two flexible connectors, as you can see right there, that go boom, 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 boom. And we have a check valve here. This is to keep any back siphonage from happening in case you were to ever have any kind of like leak or anything like that. And then you're not going to have to worry about anything getting sucked back and contaminating your filtration system. It also doubles as a safety precaution too, because if you are doing this installation yourself, you'll know if you connected your lines backward, because you will not be getting any water in here. And then you know you got to switch your lines over. We've got a bypass valve here built onto it, so when you do change your filters out twice a year, it's going to cost you roughly $60 every time you do that. You're going to go ahead and shut this valve, open this valve, do what you need to do. Everybody still has water to the house. Once you're done doing what you need to do, put the sucker back in service and you are good to go. We also put on a pressure gauge here for you that you can just simply swing out like so, and you can check your pressure anytime you need to. Right now we're reading at about 60-ish PSI. In the middle of the night, it'll probably go up to about 65 or so. Me personally, I recommend checking your pressure once a month, like a religion. You know, you're coming into your closet anyway. You got this awesome filtration system in your closet. Speaking of how awesome it is, we literally we just installed this. We ran the kitchen faucet for about 30 minutes, and then we tested the water, and the parameters are amazing. Before this system was installed, we had high fluoride. We had high total chloride. We had high hydrogen sulfide. We had high sulfate. This was all stuff that was like, I don't want that stuff in my water, to be real, especially at the levels it was. But everybody's water is going to be different. So what we can do is we can come out and we can test your water for you for free, meet you, talk to you, and see what fits you. You know, like I said, we have two other systems that we designed. This one specifically for going inside of a closet and removing a multitude of things. I'm talking about removing the fluoride, removing the arsenic. It's not going to remove all the fluoride, because we don't want that. We want a little bit of fluoride in our water, but we definitely don't want 4 parts per million. Children, according to the CDC, children should only have about 2 parts per million max in their water. So, and then if you think about it, you have a soda every once in a while, there's fluoride in that, blah, 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 blah. We don't want it. So it removes fluoride, arsenic, chlorine, chloramines, iron, mercury, lead, sulfur, cadmium, nickel, organics, hydrogen sulfide. We designed this system to be the best possible system, smallest form factor possible, easiest to install possible, easiest to maintain possible, because we love you. If you guys have any questions, comments, throw them down below, or if this is on a post, comment on that post. I look forward to talking to you guys and seeing what else we can do for you. And stay tuned in about, a day or two. If everything works out the way I want it to, I'm almost done with our 4-stage for well waters. We have another 3-stage like this one. That one is for joining a water softener with it, where you install a water softener coupled with it. So look forward to showing you guys what we're working with here, but this is the first primary product that we wanted to focus on, because no one should be without clean water. We're very adamant about that. Evangelina has a bachelor's degree in microbiology, and I've been a plumber for most of my adult life, and I actually care. She actually cares, and nobody should have to spend 10 grand to get clean water. Now I get to drink my tap water. Now I can't wait to see what it feels like in the shower, and the laundry. That's gonna be pretty cool to see what difference it's actually made. I can tell you right now, just tasting it, drinking a couple glasses of it, it's a massive, massive difference. So anyway, love you guys and talk to you later.